Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some cool monster trucks. Check out this one. It's Axel from the Dirt Squad. The dump truck monster truck. Looks so big. Whoa, look at this one. It's a Yeti. I like this one a lot. It's a pretty cool one. Look at Yeti's face. It's kind of scary looking. But he's also got a big smile. And then we've got Hot Wheels root beer float monster truck. And it's got a tire. We gotta fix that tire. That's a problem with the tire. Let's fix it. There we go. Fix that flat tire. And we've got special edition Gravedigger. It's the 40th anniversary. That's pretty cool. Whoa, look at this. It's Mohawk Warrior. It's a Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. Look at that cool hairdo. And here's this over here. It's Horsepower. Check that out. That's a pretty cool monster truck. Whoa, look at this over here. It's twin mill, but it's not an ordinary twin mill. It's glow in the dark twin mill. That's pretty cool. It glows in the dark. And then we've got Troll with the crazy hairdo over here. Look at that hairdo right there. It's so silly looking. The hair matches the tires though. That's pretty cool. Then we've got One Bad Scoop. The ice cream monster truck. Serving up strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate ice cream all day, every day. On waffle cones with cream and cherry on top. And we've got this cool little fire truck over here. With the doors open and everything. It's pretty neat. We put that in the back of Axel. And we've got Scoops. Another member of the Dirt Squad. We'll put that right over here. Oh, look at this. It's Ice Zombie. It's a blue zombie. And we've got Superman over here. That's pretty cool. We got a little dirty Superman. And we've got Roger Dodger with a huge engine. That's pretty neat. And we've got Gravedigger. We don't have just one Gravedigger. We have two Gravediggers. That's pretty cool. See that? 1, 2. And we got another member of the Dirt Squad. It's Wedge. Put you right over there, Wedge. And here's a Fire Max D. Put them next to the ice zombie so they can hang out with each other. And then we've got Axe. Axe is a pretty cool monster truck. It's got a big axe on the side. And who's that way over there? Oh, check it out, check it out. It's Roger Dodger. Look at that big engine. But it's a vampire Roger Dodger for Halloween. Let's see all the monster trucks we've done today. 40th anniversary Gravedigger. Mohawk Warrior. Horsepower. Twin mill. Glow in the dark twin mill. Axe. Roger Dodger. Vampire Roger Dodger. Gravedigger. Another Gravedigger. One Bad Scoop. Troll. Yeti. Axel. With a fire truck in the back. Hot Wheels root beer float. Scoop. Wedge. Fire Max D. Ice Zombie. Superman. And a regular Roger Dodger. Let's count all the monster trucks we found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow, 18 monster trucks? That's pretty cool. That's a lot of monster trucks. Which one was your favorite today? I think my favorite is that truck. Because look at that. It's carrying a fire truck in the back. That's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.